Now that my plants are ready to go on to the next stage, I got an egg carton with a lot of little egg spaces in it and a blade. And what I did was I cut little holes in the bottom of each of them so that when I start a seedling in there, the water will have a place to drain out. So let's go fill it up. I'm making a little hole here with a shish kebab stick, and then we're gonna put the plant in. So far I have the 6 orange petunias and I have 3 black cherry tomato plants. I have a couple other tomato plants that are trying to sprout, and one of my rare night sky petunias is just a little bit sprouted, so I still have hope for those two. All right, good night guys.